IUPAC nomenclature of amine. So amine as a functional group it is NH2, and according to IUPAC nomenclature it is named as a alkanamide. So when NH2 group linkaging with CH3NH2, so according to IUPAC nomenclature, compound consists one carbon atom, so it is methane, and it is linkaging with functional group NH2, so it is named as a methanamide. Similarly, CH3, CH2 and NH2. So here there are number of carbon atoms are 2. So it is ethanamide. Similarly, compound consists number of carbon atoms are 3 and it is linkaging with NH2 group. So according to number of carbon atom 3, so it is propane, and it also consists amine group, so it is propanamide. So here we write the propanamide, but here these compounds are also written as CH3 and NH2. So here each of two structures are isomers of each other, in which both compounds consist number of carbon atoms are 3 and both compounds consist the similar group NH2, but the position of NH2 group are differ in both of the components. So here we write the or we give the number at which carbon atoms NH2 are located. So here 1, 2 and 3, and here 1, 2 and 3. So here NH2 group located at carbon number 1, while in this component the NH2 groups are located at carbon number 2. So here propane 1 amine. Here E is substitute, so it is propane 1 amine, and here propane 2 amine. So when there are more than one probability, the location of NH2 group at which carbon atom it is linkaging, at that time we give the number of, first we choose the longest carbon chain, and then after we give the number from each end the amine group having the minimized number. So here number are given from this end, and here number are given from each of the end, because of there are from the both end the amine groups having the similar number. If here we giving the 1, 2 and 3, so amine groups having the similar number 2 and 2. So number are given from the each of the end. Similarly, when component consist this way: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, and here NH2. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain or component constitute the number of carbon atom 5, so it is pentane. And at the carbon number 2, it is linkaging with amine group, so it is pentane 2 amine. So when NH2 groups are linkaging with carbon atom, and so it is NH2 group, it is primary ion. But sometimes NH2 group from the one hydrogen are substituted from any other alkyl group or aryl group, say for this way. So it is secondary ion. And we write here CH3, NH and CH3. For the secondary amine, it is write as a N-alkyl, alkane amine. It is named as a N-alkyl alkane amine, and it is in form of NCH3 and CH3, or it is general form. It is written as a R prime, and here it is R prime, R double prime, and it is R. So it is tertiary. And when amine in the form of tertiary amine, so it is named as a N-N-N dialkyl alkane amine. So here we take some illustration for the secondary amine and tertiary amine. If we take for the example for secondary amine, so it is CH3, NH and CH3. Both the alkyl groups having the number of carbon atom are similar. At that time, any one of the alkyl group take as a alkyl as a substituent or prefix, and another give its name as a alkane amine. So it is N-methyl methanamine. If it consists CH3, CH2, NH, CH2 and CH3. So it is N-ethyl ethanamine. But when the both alkyl groups are different, say for example we take CH3, CH2, NH and CH3. At that time, which alkyl group take as a alkyl group or prefix? So in which group the number of carbon atoms are minimum, it take as a alkyl group, and remains alkyl group take as a or write as a alkane amine. So here one alkyl group in which it consists the number of carbon atom 1, and another alkyl group consists the carbon number 2. So methyl take as a alkyl group, so it is name as a N-methyl ethanamide, 1-methyl ethanamide. Similarly, component having these types of structural formula NH and CH3. So it is N-methyl propane 1-amine. Because of these components are also written as a CH3, CH, CH3, NH and CH3. So it is the longest chain in which the carbon number 2 are linkaging with amine, and this it is N-methyl propane 2-amine. Because of both are isomers of each other, but from the one alkyl group, the carbon number 1 are linkaging with amine group, and here the carbon number 2 are. It is also numbering from this end or this end. So it's having the number are 2, and this number are also indicate here, and this number are also indicate here. Now we take the tertiary amine. So in tertiary amine, from the ammonia or NH3, each of these 3 hydrogens are substituted by 3 similar or different alkyl or aryl groups. So here N and CH3 and CH3. It is written in this way, so it is known as a tertiary. And when we write the IUPAC nomenclature of tertiary amine, so 2 groups take as a alkyl group and 1 is a alkanamide. At that time, which of them take as a prefix? So prefix take as a, it's having the minimized number of carbon atoms. So here each of 3 groups are similar carbon atom. So from 3 groups, any 2 groups take as a prefix, and here N, N dimethyl methanamide, dimethyl methanamide. Similarly, these components are written as a CH3 and CH2 CH3, and here it also consists CH3. So in these 2 groups, there are 2 both having the carbon number 1, and this alkyl group having the carbon number 2. So it takes as a prefix, and so it is written as a N, dimethyl ethanamide. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH2, CH3, and CH3. When structure are given in this way, each of the 3 alkyl groups are different. So these groups having the maximum number of carbon atoms 1, 2 and 3, and this groups having the carbon number 1 and this group having the carbon number are 2. So it is written as a N-methyl, N-methyl propane 1 amine. So in this way, primary, secondary and tertiary amine, first of all we familiar about the amines are primary, secondary or tertiary. According to nature of amine groups, we write the IUPAC nomenclature for the corresponding component. If it is primary amine, so it is written as a alkane amine. If it is secondary amine, so it is written as a alkyl alkane amine. If it is tertiary amine, so it is written as a dialkyl alkane amine. For all of the primary, secondary and tertiary amine, with last station we write the nomenclature for the given structure in this way. The general formula I will say you. If it is primary amine, so it is alkyl amine. If it is secondary amine, so it is alkyl alkane amine. If it is tertiary amine, so it is dialkyl alkane amine. When amine groups linkaging with benzene ring, so it is written in this way. It is benzene ring and here it consists NH2. So it is benzene amine. And common name of this component it is aniline. So sometimes you have asked write the structural formula of aniline and write its IUPAC nomenclature. Or it is also according to IUPAC nomenclature it is also named as a aminobenzene. Similarly, if it is formed in secondary amine, NHCl, so it is written as a N-methyl benzene amine. If it is in form of tertiary amine, NCH3 and CH3, so it is written as a NN dimethyl benzene amine. So this way, according to your syllabus, it is sufficient for you. So IUPAC nomenclature of amine are completed. Now we take the IUPAC nomenclature for cyanide or nitrile. And nitrile having the functional group as a C triple bond, and it is named as a, according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is named as a alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. So when we put hydrogen here, so component consists the one carbon atom, and cyanide group or nitrile group is a terminal functional group and it's having the carbon atom. So terminal carbon atoms or functional groups always linkage at the end of the structure or chain. So it is, according to IUPAC nomenclature, alkane amine, so it is methane nitrile. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2 and C triple bond N. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is named as a butane nitrile. or it is butane 1-nitrile. Here we cannot indicate the at which carbon atoms having the functional group. So it is always having the carbon number 1. So here we write the butane nitrile or butane 1-nitrile. Both are accepted in IUPAC system. Similarly, we give the structure of this CH2CH, CH and C triple bond N, and here Br. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first Br taken as a substituent group and parent chain having the carbon number 5. So first of all we write the substituent group and with it's located at which carbon atom. So it is located at carbon number 3. So it is 3 bromo pentane 1-nitrile or pentane nitrile. So sum of components. The structural formula having this way CH3, CH, 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 CH2, CH2 and C triple bond. And here it linkaging C2H5. Here it is CH3 and here it is Cl. So here parent chain having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is heptane. But it also consists 1 nitrile group and 3 substituent groups. And 3 substituent groups are different from each other. One it is ethyl, second it is methyl, and third one it is fluoro. So first of all we write the according to alphabet order which of them are given the priority. So priority given according to alphabet order. So first 6-fluoro, then ethyl, 4-ethyl, then methyl, 5-ethyl, and heptane 1-nitrile or heptane nitrile. Here one are indicate or it is not indicate. But when the structural formula for these components are given in this way, CH3, CH2, CH, C, triple bond, N, or it is written as C, triple bond N, and here CH2 and Cl. At that time, first we choose the longest chain, consist functional. Here it is longest chain made by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But we cannot choose longest chain from this way because of when we choose the longest chain in this way, at that time the functional groups are skipped. According to IUPAC system, the longest chain shows which consists the functional. So here it is chosen in this way or it is chosen this way. In from the both the way, it consists the carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And one number are also given 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is butane. And remains part taken as a substituent group, and substituent groups having the carbon number 2 at it is linkaging at carbon number 2 with parent chain. So it is 2-ethyl and butane nitride or butane 1-nitride. So you can make the mistake when structural formula given in this way. Now it is CH2CH, C triple bond N, and here CH2, and it is located here. So which of them taken as a parent chain? So 1, 2 and 3, and carbon number 3 linkaging one substituent group and substituent group having the carbon number 5 in form of cyclic structure. So it is 3-cyclopentyl propane nitride or propane 1. But when cyanide group directly linkaging with cyclic carbon, at that time groups are changed. So at that time it is named as a cyclobutane, and for the terminal group it is carbonitride. It is named as a carbonitride. Not here we use the nitride, but it is used as a carbonitride. Similarly, you have given the structural formula in this way: Cn, Cn and Cn. At that time, these components having the longest chain taken as in previous lecture in carboxylic acid as well as in ester, we take this way the parent because of components having the symmetric form, and any two functional groups consist in parent chain and one functional groups are skipped. At that time IUPAC make a special rules for this component. So first of all of three are skipped and remains these three functional groups, or all of the functional groups. We take the longest parent chain and 1, 2 and 3. So it is propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbonitride. When it is linkaging with benzene ring in this, so it is benzene nitride. So it is write as a benzene nitride. So IUPAC nomenclature according to your syllabus it is sufficient, and then we take the IUPAC nomenclature of amide compound. So amide compounds, so amides it is C double bond O NH, it is known as a amide functional groups. Here we take the or put the hydrogen atom, so it is HCONH2. So according to IUPAC system, amide compound name as a alkanamide. So for this component, it consists only one carbon atom, so it is, or it is written as a HCONH2. So it is named as a methanamide. And amide functional group, also known as a terminal functional groups, and in which the carbon atoms are also consist. So it is always linkaging at end of the chain or end of the part of the structure. So it is named as a alkanamide. Similarly, CH3CONH2. So it is carbon number 1 and 2. So it is known as a ethanamide. Similarly, CH3CH2CH2 CONH2. So it is named as a butanamide. Not indicate the number, at which number indicate the amide group. So it is known as a butanamide. Similarly, you have given CH3CH CH2 CH CONH2, and here it consists C2H5, and here it consists CH3. So it consists, first of all we choose the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is pentanamide. But in pentanamide, it consists the two substituent group, and two are differ. One it is ethyl and another it is methyl. So it is, name are given 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, pentanamide, or pentan-1-amide. But here not necessary to indicate the number of amide. So this way we write the nomenclature of this compound, and in this component it also consists CH2 CO NH2. At that time it takes a substituent groups, and this substituent groups, it is cyclic form and it consists the carbon number 3, so it is cyclopropane. But when we take it in the form of substituent group, so it is taken as a alkyl, so it is cyclo 1, 2 and 3. So it is written as a 3 cyclopropyl propanamide. But in this structure, directly carbon atom of CONH2 or amide group linkaging with cyclic carbon atom. So according to IUPAC system, it gives the special rules, and it is first written as a cyclopentane and carboxamide. Similarly, it also consists in this way, CH2 and CO NH2. So it is also named in this way because of, not this way, because of it is not directly consist with this carbon atom. So first we choose the longest chain, and longest chain having the number of carbon atoms are 2, because of in open chain it consists the functional group, not this portion consists the functional group. So it takes as a substituent group and it chooses as a parent chain. So it is named as a 2-cyclohexyl ethanamide. So similar to nitrile compound, it also consists in this way: CH2, CH, CH2, and here CONH2, here also CONH2, and here also CONH2. At that time previous we take for the nitrile compound 1, 2 and 3. So it is propane. Propane 1, 2, 3 tri carboxamide, and when amide functional group directly linkaging with benzene ring, CONH2, so it is benzenamide. The common names are also accepted as a IUPAC nomenclature for this component. So it is known as a benzene carboxamide contrast. It is also written as a benzene carboxamide, and its all common names are also accepted in IUPAC system. Now last, nitro. So nitro compounds having the NO2 as a functional, and it is, according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is named as a nitroalkane. Say for CH3NO2, so it is nitromethane. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH2 and NO2. At that time numbering are necessary. So 1 nitro propane and CH3, CH, 2CH, CH2, CH3 and NO2. At that time 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 nitro pentane. Similarly, when nitro groups are linkaging with benzene ring, so its common name nitrobenzene, and it is also named as a nitrobenzene. NO2, so it is not metadinitrobenzene, but it is 1, 2 and 3. 1,3 dinitrobenzene, and similarly it also consists third nitro group, so it is 4 and 5 and 6. 1, 3, 5 trinitro benzene. So according to your syllabus, the IUPAC nomenclature are completed, and in next lecture we start the big topic of this unit, and it is molecular orbital theory. Thank you.